3, 2, 1. I mean, it don't mind, baby, now. I think it don't mind, baby, now. I tell you how the fuck you steppin' when you I tell you how the fuck you steppin' when you I turn it on, my baby, won't you I turn it on, my baby. Baby, you looking fire hot. I have you hold on.
Facebook.
Alright, so basically what's going on today is Carnival around Wing Road. Carnival!
Yeah, some pre-carnival stuff, people. Yeah, and the vibe is really, really crazy. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, but everybody's cutting loose at UWI.
Balancing when we on the road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Yes, we tilted any road. Watch me balancing, watch me balancing. Jump up, put your hands up, jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up, jump up, jump up, jump up, put your hands up, jump up, jump up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, jump up, mash up the place. Mashing up the place, throw your hand in the place. Mashing up the place. 1, 2, 3.
everybody's cutting loose at UWI. Our people are supposed to go to church, you know.
What?
Like that boy over there.
Yeah, a lot of people
And that
supposed
girl
to go
right
to church. Yes.
Our
March
church
around the
is
ring road.
right. Whoa. And the other truck is coming on.
Yeah, there's somewhere around here.
But that one's really lame though.
It wasn't that lame the first time.
Yeah.
Last year was much better though, but they could have. This year was there. Yeah.
So that's that people.
So we made UWI Carnival first year for me. Woo! Woo! Yeah.
Bye.
Bye everybody. Bye.
This
What?